Hey, so what happened was I joked about us going outside and starting a campfire and doing some s'mores, with it being all snowy outside. And hold on, wait. No, some sort of vehicle with the snowplow. Anyways, so yeah, I made the joke, and then I was like, "Oh, but it is doable." Said that, "Oh, if you dig out the fire pit and shovel a path, that will do it." She didn't expect me to do it, but after she said it, she realized and heard that I would be just the person that would do that. And I did. I did it! Yay! I used the shovel from instead being dumb won't close, but yay!
Don't do that.
Burn the witch.
No!
She's manifesting marshmallows out of thin air.
I'm not the
She's a
witch.
witch!
I'm not the witch.
Hey Victor, before you put yours on, make sure you help Ren get hers on.
Hey, yours aren't big, aren't it? I got the wrong one.
Dr. Step.
Aw.
What are you doing?
Making a video. What are you maniacs?
Send me the video.
Hey!
Ha 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 ha.
Get away!
Hello.
Huh? It's a snot face.
Hello. I wasn't ready to take a picture. Hi.
I wasn't the wrong one.
Hey, turn the light back on. Hey Ren, walk over that way.
Why?
So the light comes back on. Go! There you go. Thank you.
Hey. Here's the one that would be sword.
Sword, not the silver.
That's too bad.
Too bad what?
You're even horrible than a witch.
Too
Wow.
sad.
My opinion, witches aren't that bad, so
Same here, it depends on the witch.
yes.
You have witches that aren't wicked, and then you have your wicked witches. Some witches are wicked. Don't touch my marshmallow.
Hey, nope. No bonking marshmallows, they're gonna fall in the fire. I ain't dealing with that. Run out of marshmallows in the middle of winter.
Go get.
Yeah, marshmallows are yummy.
Ren, why are you a turd?
Oh,
Don't make me slay you,
Go
witch.
cook your marshmallow.
I'll block you.
Quit sticking it in the snow.
Slay you. Push you right in.
Roasted Ren. Oh, we already had dinner, never mind.
Yeah. I'll feed you to the wolves. So you can get eaten by the very things you love.
I'll try to tame them.
You're right. You're right. We'll feed you to
Oh,
bears.
there you go. Now we got some light on the
I'll also
hole.
try to tame them.
Not if they're polar bears.
I'll also start to tame them.
I'd like to see you try.
I think Dada's getting home. Yep, I hear Dada.
Oh, and I'll specifically make sure I drop you off with polar bears that have children.
So they're super angry?
Yeah. Can you open these?
Yeah.
Sure, thanks.
There you go. What happens when you have a fire in the middle of winter? Yeah, you might want to stay back a little bit.
Igni!
All right, here.
Okay.
Look at that big baby. Sorry, I need to look at my marshmallow. Mom, it's my marshmallow cookie.
Yes, with some fighting we did get the shed closed.